My name is Dr. Engineer Srinivas. I come from India. I'm 33 years old. I came to Italy to do my PhD initially, and then later on I was searching for programs to bridge the gap between the research and the industry. I found this program with BBS, which was very compact in nature. That is, like in 9 months you have all the subjects together, which was a very perfect fit for me because I was ready to market in 9 months. I come from zero coding background. I'm a neuroscientist. So for me, the basic courses in economy, they were pretty crucial in order to cope up with all other students. Definitely the international exposure was an opportunity to learn how the cross cultures work, even during the debates that happens usually during the classes. So it was a kind of cross learning that was always happening during the course. This is what you would experience when you enter into a company. As of now, when I'm working as a data scientist, in order to solve a single issue, it will be never a one-man show. BBS is a school associated to alma mater, that is the Bologna University, which is considered to be the world's oldest living university. All the faculty that we are having here are from the Bologna University or business leaders. The thing that amazed me as soon as I entered Bologna were the porticos. The city is so compact with well-established public transport that you can find 24/7. Bologna has this great connectivity all over the world. You just walk across, you find people speaking in Spanish, people speaking in English, people speaking in many other languages. So you never feel homesick when you're in Bologna. I would recommend any of my friends to join BBS for the meticulous micro-planning that is done, which is pretty crucial in giving you the success or the promises that the program has made.